Welcome back, everybody. I'm Nikki, and you're watching Backyard Politics. Yesterday in the mail, we received a piece of information from our lien holder on our mortgage. And I wanted to warn everybody about forbearance, okay? Forbearance plans for your mortgage. If you can, do not sign up for that. Get out of it if they sign you up for it. And I'm going to go over why. Dear mortgage customer, on this date, a Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security CARES Act went into effect to help those affected by COVID-19. This act includes mortgage assistance for those experiencing financial hardship due to COVID-19. We are providing you with the following temporary assistance under the CARES Act. We hope this assistance will provide you with the time and flexibility you need during this difficult time. That sounds really helpful, right? Let's read on. How the CARES Act helps if you are experiencing financial hardship. Due to COVID-19, your mortgage payment will be paused for 6 months and or 6 payments. This is called a forbearance plan. No delinquencies will be reported at credit bureaus during this time. No foreclosures will be initiated during the forbearance plan term, and the terms of your mortgage remain unchanged. Any late fees and other fees, such as insufficient funds incurred during this forbearance plan, will be waived. Still sounds pretty helpful. What is a mortgage forbearance plan? A mortgage forbearance plan is when you can temporarily pause or lower your mortgage payments. The missed payments must be repaid once the forbearance has ended. In the case of the COVID-19 hardship, your mortgage payments are paused for an initial period of up to 6 months from the date you contacted us to advise you were impacted. During this time, you will not have to make your full monthly mortgage obligation. We advise you to pay whatever amount you can afford to reduce the total amount you will have to pay once your forbearance plans ends. The shitty thing about this is it's not a complete rent freeze or mortgage freeze. It is a pause, if you will, while all of the mortgage payments add up. And then at the end of the 6 months, you owe 6 months worth of mortgage, right? After a fucking pandemic. So the extremely shady and shitty thing about this is we never asked to be in a forbearance plan whatsoever. They just told us we were in it. They signed us up on their own without anybody saying yes. It says, if you do not need this forbearance, please call us at this 1-800 number and we will remove it from your account. Sorry, this is a little scrunchy. So again, if you do not need this forbearance, please call us at this number and we will remove it from your account. Nobody gave them the okay to put a forbearance plan on our fucking mortgage. Nobody. So my husband called yesterday and made sure that we would not be in a forbearance plan. And the guy on the line, it's not his fault necessarily. He just is doing his job. But he was basically saying that the forbearance is there to help people out, which I'm sure he's told to tell people, but it just puts a pause. It doesn't clean your record and make you not have to pay for 6 months. It puts a pause on it, and the fucking mortgage payments still keep accruing, and then at the end of the 6-month period, you owe 6 months of mortgage. When you've been unemployed, your hours have been cut, it's a fucking pandemic, maybe you have medical bills, etc. Like, nobody's making any money already. This is how they're going to take our houses again. And it's just like in 2008, which was George Bush and Barack Obama. George Bush leading into it, and Obama sealed the deal on taking all the fucking houses from people. Okay? This is how they're going to do it again. And instead of Congress passing something for the American people, they passed things for Wall Street, big banks, corporations to be able to do this shit. This is totally legal. So watch your every single piece of mail that you get right now, watch it closely. Be on the lookout for the word forbearance. This is how they're going to try to steal our fucking houses. If you can, do not sign up for this plan. I'm trying to help you right now. We need to vote new people into Congress because the ones that are there are not doing shit for us. And that includes the bullshit, fake ass Justice Democrats who have just now created a super PAC. So, as Jimmy Dore said, the Justice Democrats are now just Democrats. Bernie is lumped into that bunch too. They all voted for this shit. It is extremely frustrating. So, while we hold the power, the working class, poorest of the poor, hold the most power right now because we are the 99%. We need to vote new people in. And that doesn't mean the lesser of two evils because, like I said, Bush, Obama, Trump, they're all the same. Watch my previous videos. They are all the same. They're all a part of the 1% that is trying to fuck over the American people. If we don't fight, then they win. It's as simple as that. So use your vote to protest the status quo. I will not, in the primaries, I just voted, I wrote Graham Elwood in, political vigilante. He'd at least fight for us, and he speaks the truth. I cannot say that for anybody else on the presidential primaries for the DNC at all. So we need to use our vote as a protest and say we're not gonna put up with this shit. And we also need to not vote any blue will do. And we need to use our money wisely. Right now is the time to pay small businesses and buy from small companies instead of these large corporations. Keep small business alive. Help out the working class because we are all in this together. The banks and the one percenters, they're going to be fine on their island with Nancy Pelosi's fucking ice cream hanging out with Epstein. Okay? We have the power. We need to do something. Okay? So, have a great day. Hopefully there will be a couple more videos this week that'll drop. I've got an exciting one coming up and some cool news for the channel. So please hit the like button, share this video on your social media, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell notification so you know when a video drops. And leave comments down below. I love to read whatever you guys have to say. It could be topic related. It could be something totally not even political. I love those too. Yeah, so till next time, Medicare be with you.